Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install PostgreSQL on your Linux machine. So I am using this Ubuntu version, Ubuntu 22.4 version, and in this machine I'm going to install Postgres. Okay, so before installing you need to let me log in into root and let me put a password and apt update. You need to do apt update and then it's updating. Okay, so in your case if you're using Red Hat, then you need to upgrade this, and after that let me clean this and let me show you the command. So apt, after apt install postgresql postgresql-client. Okay, postgresql-client. So this is the command apt install postgresql-client. So it's asking for yes, and you can see it's installing, and it will take 2 to 3 minutes and progressing 40%, 64 and 95. Okay, and it's done. So after that if I need to check systemctl status postgresql, you can see it's running. Okay, you can even stop and start from here. Okay, so if you need to stop and start, you can do from here. And here I need to log in as a root, so let me show you how to do that. I need to log in as sudo -i -u and then postgres. Okay, and then you can see this changes to Postgres, and then here I have to run psql. Okay, you can see PostgreSQL this command prompt is here, and if you need to list the database, suppose you need to list the database, then this is the command to list database. You can see Postgres the default database, and this is the owner, and this is the access permission. Okay, suppose you need to create a database, so the command will be create database, and then suppose database name is mkd. Okay, so this is the command. Database is created, and you can see you can list the database. You can see mkd database is created. Okay, so if you need to check the all schema, then this is the command to check all schema. You can see only this is the schema. Okay, and all user, if you need to check all user, then this is the user. You can see all user. I think user command is user. You can see this is the user, PostgreSQL user. Okay, and if you need to create a user, then you can run the command to create user also. So create user command, if I need to, there's a help command also. If you type h, this is the help. Okay, you can see a lot of command is there, and I need specifically, suppose I need more and more. Okay, and suppose I need the help for h for create user command, create user. You can see this is the option, create user and username, and then this is the permission, super user. Okay, so suppose create user and my username will be mkd mixture and the permission will be super user. Okay, so let me do that and show username du. You can see this you can 1 minute create user command with. Okay, so I missed one thing, create user mkdmixer with. I missed up with super user. So let me I have missed something. Create user command mkdmixer with super user. So create user description name with option. So let me create user test with what is the permission I need, super user. I think something is missing here. Okay, so I missed a semicolon. If I do du, then I can see mkdmixer super user is created. Okay, so this is how you can create table also. G table, if you can see that no table is here, it didn't find any relation. So if we create a table, mkd, and then suppose we are creating cars, and in the end we have to specify what will be. So brand, it will be brochure. Okay, and it will be 255. Again we need to create model, and it will be also brochure. Okay, so let me do this only. There is some mistake. Okay, what is the mistake? This is the mistake. Model brochure 255 dt didn't find. So I have done some create table cars. Here is the model, and here I have done extra comma. Okay, you can see table created. So dt, you can see the car table is created. Okay, so this is how you can insert the data to this table also. So this is the commands I have already given to install postgres. So first command is to upgrade, then run this command, and then after that you need to run this status command. Okay, and then this is start command for login, and then this is first command to ls l, and then this is the database and schema, and this is for schema, and this is for user, and this is the help command. Okay, and finally I have given the command for dt/dt, and there's a one command -s. So -s is for history, I think. So let me dh it's not working anyway. So -s, let me okay, this -s command is to check the history. Okay, so if we need to check the history, then -s, this command is to check the history what we have done. So first we have created a we try to create a super user, and the first time we did mistake since we didn't mention semicolon. Here we mention, and then second time this is a successful command for create a table. Okay, so guys, this is how you can install Postgres on your machine and you can practice. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.